The word flagship is used in many industries to describe any model that is well made in their product line. Flagship devices have a very good features and are quite expensive as compared to other devices made by a same company. In ancient days, when a large group of ships used to go somewhere, the commander was sitting in one of the special ship. This ship was called a flagship. Flagship is a very bigger in size, stronger, and also has a weapons. The big size flag is representing a flagship so that it could be seen from a large distance. Businessmen have taken a name flagship from here only. Flagship product is not only exist in a smartphone industry. There are also a flagship cars and flagship stores. They are very expensive and having a good service. So in today's video we'll discuss about flagship phones and how they are different from mid-range phones. Flagship mobile is made from a very strong and very premium material which make it even more special. Flagship mobile have a best hardware, special features, and also very expensive in price. The display of flagship mobile is also bigger and it has a multiple camera setup and also having a large memory storage. So flagship work better than a mid-range phone. The processor in flagship is better than a mid-range phone, and the chip inside it are also of very good quality. That's why a flagship mobile gives very faster and smooth performance to a mobile. If you guys like online surfing and also like to play game online, then this mobile is best for you. The price of a flagship mobile is also very higher than a mid-range phones. There is a very big gap between their rate. Flagship mobile get faster software updation than a mid-range phone because a company want that software update should happen more quickly in expensive and good product. The display of a flagship phone have a good picture quality. They are full HD and they are also run 4K and 8K videos. And on the other hand, the mid-range phone can run only a 1080p videos, which can lower picture quality and movie experience. The camera of a flagship mobile is also a very good camera compared to mid-range phones. The camera of these mobiles have a good tools, a good lens, and a good sensor which are capable of shooting a videos and photo in a 4K and 8K resolution. But there is only one thing: the mid-range phone can beat flagship phones, a battery backup. So as we all know that the screen of a flagship mobile display is Ultra HD and they can also capable of playing 4K and 8K videos. Due to this, the panel require more power from a battery. Many flagship phones support wireless charging, but no mid-range phone support wireless charging. For example, the Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max is a flagship phone, and on the other hand, the iPhone 14 is just a mid-range phone. Now you can see the difference between them. Flagship mobiles and mid-range phones both are very good and work well in their respective places. The only thing in flagship mobile is it is very expensive and hence people consider it luxurious, and mid-range phone is very cheaper and people consider it cheap. If you guys have a lot of money, you can buy a flagship mobile. If you are poor, mid-range phone will be fine.